newest listing, located in Prosper, is in Artesia, a community that's loaded with amenities, attends the newly opened Richland High School, and its location is perfect. It's near elite shopping and dining, the new Firefly Park, PGA, and all of the wonderful parks Prosper has to offer. Let's take a look inside. This beautiful one-story home is so well laid out, offering over 2,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and even has a flex space. Another great feature to this home is the amazing backyard with the outdoor kitchen, the pergola, and still plenty of room for pets and play. Contact the Birdsong Group to schedule your private tour today.